Hello, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S95 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay app. Firstly, enter Google Pay app. Tap Get Started. And now you want to reset your app. I'm doing it because the interface has changed. Tap a blue button at the bottom of the screen and focus on loyalty, gift card and transit. Let's select loyalty firstly and select, for example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Then tap Save. Next, let's select gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card. Select shop, enter details and tap Save. Let's select last one, transit. If you are able to find your transit way, select it, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish inside form. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.